Now let's go to the real match.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Well, King, that's my definition of slobber knocker. They nearly killed each other out there. 1, 2, 3. Well, King, that's my definition of slobber knocker. They nearly killed each other out there. What's he doing out there? I don't know, but somebody better call security. 1, 2, 3. Well, King, that's my definition of slobber knocker. They nearly killed each other out there. Well, King, that's my definition of slobber knocker. They nearly killed each other out there.
Well, that's how it works.